Hello everyone. Today's course will create a certificate. Before we start, let's take a look at what will be put in a certificate. Most certificates have 5 components: name of the award, name of the recipient, description of the award or recipient, name of the presenter, and date. Today, for example, we'll use an award called Student of the Year, and we'll use a template to create our certificate. Let's take a look at templates. What is a template? Well, template is like a blueprint of a particular theme. With a template, we don't have to design what we want from scratch. All we have to do is to modify details on the template. Okay, let's start. First, download the template we need. Open the description box below and click the link Template, and then download the template. Open the template you downloaded. If you see a notification appears, just click Enable Editing. You need to click this first so that you can edit this file. As you can see, the template is a certificate of Employee of the Month, but we'll modify it to the theme we mentioned before. All we have to do is to modify the text. This is why using a template is convenient. We don't have to design the background or the style of the certificate. As you can see, all the details on the template can be modified. Now we're going to modify text. Click Employee of the Month, and then press Delete. And then type Student of the Year, the award name we mentioned before. Now let's modify name of recipient. Click Name of recipient. Press Delete. Type the name of recipient. I typed Beth Smith, for example. You can type any name you want. In this example, there's no need to modify the description, since it also matches the word Student of the Year. However, in some cases, you'll have to modify it to match the word. Next, we'll modify the name of presenter. Click here. Type the name or title of the presenter. For example, I typed Principal Helen James as the presenter of this certificate. The name of the presenter is now aligned to the left. How to make it center? First, click and drag to select text. Then click Home on the top of the interface. Next, click the icon. And you'll see that the name of the presenter is centered. Now we're going to modify date. Click here first and type the date. Again, the date is now aligned to the left. To make it centered, click and drag to select text. Click Home on the top of the interface and click this icon. And you'll see the date centered. And finished. This is your first certificate. You finished today's class. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, comment below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe us. See you next time.